guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Keira, founder of Modern Pianista. On this channel, we discuss all things related to artistry, entrepreneurship, and of course, music education. This one is for my singer-songwriters. If you're a singer-songwriter or a recording artist looking to accompany yourself on the piano, listen up. I want you to take the song that you're trying to learn and understand the chord structure. Learn the chords that make up the song and hold those chords down in your right hand as the song is playing in the background. I give this to all of my beginning piano students when they first start out because it's a really good way to build confidence, develop musicality, and have your ear grow sharper over time. It keeps you immersed and present with what's currently happening in the music. So, as you're doing this, you're gonna probably fall off the beat sometimes. Songs repeat. There are cycles. It's called a chord progression. And so, say for example, the song that you're trying to learn, the chord progression is C, A minor, G, and F. So those chords are gonna cycle over and over and over again throughout the song. So let's say you're playing on top of the track and you fall off the beat. As a beginner, I expect you to fall off the beat. Now, I don't care if you fall off. What I care about is if you get back on. Because as this repeats, I want you to get in the habit of listening for that C to come back around. Let's say you play the C, the G, and the A minor, but you miss the F, right? And by the time you realize that you missed the F, you're already in the next cycle and you're panicking and you're like, oh my God, what do I do, right? I want you to calm your nerves and listen for that C to come back around, the very first chord to come back around. The more you do this, the more confident you get. And you pave the way for recovery, which is super important as a performer. You want to learn how to recover. It's not about being perfect. It's about learning how to recover. So this helps you with other things as you grow as a performer and an artist and a singer-songwriter. So I have my students start off with this, and then you're holding your chord down in your right hand, you're doing this to the track, and you're having a ton of fun. And this eventually builds into something so much greater. Once that's comfortable for you, I have you hold down octaves in your left hand, and I can start creating different sections, like making the chorus a little bit bigger and more interesting than the verse, adding some rhythmic elements, adding some fills, things like that. Singer-songwriter grooves, there's endless things, chord voicings, I could go on and on. So start off by playing to the track and getting immersed in what you're hearing and learning that things happen in cycles of 4. Like I said, if you fall off the beat, I just want you to wait for the cycle to come back around. Let me know how this works out for you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.